Hello, this is lecture 5. Sixth sem M1 Maths 1 by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. Right. As we discussed a few problems in lecture 4, let us see that a few different problems in this lecture 5. Next, there we have the up to problem 8, whereas now problem 9. Problem 9, solve dx by dt plus 5x plus y is equal to e power t, comma dy by dt minus x plus 3y is equal to e power 2t. Right. The right side also there after this. The 9th problem, the right sides we have. Till now up to 8 problems, we have only the right side must be 0 and the left side only is there to solve. Now CF and also PA must be need to find the variables. Solution. Solve these two equations to find the variables x and y's, and x and y's are to be now with the CF and PI. Right, given equations are to be given d plus 5 of x plus y is equal to e power t. Next, minus, this is minus x plus d plus 3 of y is equal to e power 2t. This is equation 1 and this is 2. So 1 into d plus 2. First equation can multiply with d plus 3. So that d plus 3 into d plus 5 of x plus d plus 3 into y is equal to d plus 3 e power t. So second equation can multiply by 1 because y coefficient is 1. Second equation multiply by 1. 2 into 1 is equal to minus x plus d plus 3 into y as usual is equal to as usual. Next, to eliminate y, these two terms have the same signs. We can subtract to get minus. So subtract. So minus is there, so that plus is there, minus, the plus is there, minus. So that these two terms will be cancelled, remaining. Take x is common after adding. So d plus 3 into d plus 5 as x is common, plus 1 as x is common. Right side is d e power t plus 3 e power t minus e power 2t. Next, these two can multiply. D square plus 8d plus 15. 3 into 5 is 15 plus 1 of x is equal to e power t plus 3 e power t is e power 4 e power t minus minus e power 2t. Next, d square plus 8d plus 16 of x is equal to this one. Next, so find the value of the variable. So that AE is m square plus 8m plus 16 is equal to 0, implies m plus 4 whole square is equal to 0, implies m is equal to minus 4 comma minus 4. So that CF is equal to C1 plus C2t into e power minus 4t. Next, Pi is equal to 1 divided by, for this problem, Pi is equal to d square plus 8d plus 16 into 4 e power t minus e power 2t is equal to 1 divided by d plus 4 whole square into 4 e power t minus e power 2t is equal to 4 into 1 divided by t coefficient is 1. So that 1 plus 4 whole square e power t minus 1 divided by t coefficient is 2. So d plus is 2, put d is equal to 2. 2 plus 4 whole square into e power 2t is equal to 4 by 25 e power t minus 1 by 36 e power 2t. So therefore x is equal to CF plus Pi is equal to C1 plus C2t into e power minus 4t plus 4 by 25 e power t minus 1 by 36 e power 2t. This is 3. Put x value in 1. So that one equation, d plus 5 into x, one equation, d plus 5 into x plus y is equal to e power t. In this we can substitute x value, implies d plus 5 into c1 plus c2t e to the power of minus 4t minus 4 by 25, that is plus 4 by 25 e power t minus minus 1 by 36 e power 2t plus y is equal to e power t, implies, right. So we can differentiate. This is of UV method. So that first of all I can differentiate this This implies differentiate all these terms. It is d of c1 plus c2t into e power minus 4t plus 4 by 25 e power t minus 1 by 36 e power 2t plus 5 into all this, 5 into c1 plus c2t e power minus 4t plus 20 by 25 e power t minus 5 by 36 e power 2t plus y is equal to e power t. So differentiate now. U method means c1 plus c2t into e power minus 4t into minus 4 plus this is constant and this we can differentiate. 0 plus c2 into e power minus 4t. Next differentiation plus 4 by 25 e power t minus this differentiation is 2 by 36 e power 2t plus this one 5 into c1 plus c2t into e power minus 4t plus 20 by 25 into e power t minus 5 by 36 into e power 2t plus y is equal to e power t implies, so this is 5 times of this is minus 4 times, it is remaining c1 plus c2t into e power minus 4t. Then this one was completed. Next coming to the, this is c2 plus c2 e power minus 4t, that e power 4t terms have to be like this. Next e power t, here is e power t is there, here is e power t is there, so e power t, this is 4, this is 25, the total will be plus 4 by 25, 24 by 25 e power t, and coming to this t minus 7 e power 2t, 7 by 36 e power 2t. Next plus y is equal to e power t. This implies c1 plus c2 plus c2t e power minus 4t plus 24 by 25 e power t minus 7 by 36 e power 2t plus y is equal to e power t. So take all the terms to the right side. This implies y is equal to minus of c1 plus c2 plus c2t e power minus 4t. Next this term also to the right side is, this side already it is e power t, also we will take y is equal to e power t, all will be right side now, minus 24 by 25 e power t plus 7 by 36 e power 2t is equal to, so this is minus 24 plus is minus 23, it is minus of c1 plus c2 plus c2t e power minus 4t minus 23 by 25 e power t plus plus 7 by 36 e power 2t. Take this as equation 4. Therefore 3 and 4 gives required solution. Required solution. Required solution. Right. I will give you one problem to homework. Problem. Solve dx by dt plus 4x plus 3y is equal to t. dy by dt plus 2x plus 5y is equal to e power t. So to find out the variables we need, of course, for x cf plus pi, and also substitute that x value in y, automatically y variable also will get. The both together gives the solutions of given system. Write down the answers, x variable and y variable. X is equal to c1 e power minus 2t plus c2 e to the power of minus 7t plus 5 by 14t. Next, minus 31 by 196, the constant, minus 1 by 8 e power t. Because the methods to find out CF and PI in the third sim, the same procedure here also we can apply. And with the variable y is equal to minus 2 by 3 C1 e power minus 2t plus C2 e to the power of minus 70 minus t by 7 plus 9 by 98 plus 5 by 24 5 by 24 e power t. So do this problem. It was given in examination, the 2016 problem. Do it carefully. Thank you very much. If not, we will see in the next class the same problem, but you can try to find the solution of that problem. Thank you very much.